Trouble in the Gaza camp. The Gaza nation is crying out. The Gaza fans are crying. They are disappointed. They got the shock of their lives when the ticket prices for the Gaza bus Vybz Kartel was announced. Look at your screen, viewers and subscribers. The Gaza fans are crying out. High prices hit the Gaza nation. Welcome to the Jamaican Analyst. If this is your first time here, I invite you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it, my people. Everyone across the world who is a Gaza fan, whether you come from the lower part of society, whether you're a part of the middle class or the higher part of the society, top tier society, people were looking forward to this concert. There was a time when even the producers of Sting, a show that has its name rooted in the Jamaican culture, when it was announced that the date for the Kartel show is same December as the Sting show, the producers of Sting were concerned. They were nervous. They were fretting because, having those two shows in the same week will cause a problem, because people will not have the money, the cash to finance both shows. But I believe the Sting producers are having a sigh of relief now when they see these prices. Let's get into it, my people. Look at the crowd that welcomed Vybz Kartel when he was released from prison. These are the real Gaza fans, my people. Do you believe those that sat in their offices, those that were on vacation, those rich people in the society, are they really the Gaza fans? Do you think they would apply for a day off work and go downtown to wait in the sun for the release of the Gaza bus? Or do you think these people that you will see on screen shortly, those that were downtown in the sun hot to welcome Vybz Kartel when he walked out of that prison house, they, in my opinion, are the real Gaza fans? So you would thought that the ticket would be in a price range so that the real grassroots man, the uncared man on the street, sell him sky juice, sell him bag juice, sell him patty, sell him bleaching cream, sell him kerchief, and can save up him money. And guess what? Buy him ticket if it was at a reasonable price. But tell me, my viewers and subscribers, do you believe the little man on the street can afford these tickets? Let's get into it. Bleachers, $125 US, which is equivalent to 19,700 Jamaican. Talk to me in the comment section, my people. Do you think the ticket prices are reasonable? Do you think the regular man on the street, the Sky Juice man who loved Vybz Kartel so much, who was there to welcome Vybz Kartel, do you think he can at least afford the cheapest ticket, the Bleachers ticket, $125 US, which is equivalent to 19,700 Jamaican? Let's look at the grandstand ticket, my viewers and subscribers. The grandstand ticket, $300 US. All right. Do you think those who wish not to be in the bleachers area and want to be a little closer to the Gaza bus can afford $300 US, knowing that it is a time in Jamaica where We are celebrating Christmas. You need your Christmas shoes, your Christmas clothes, your Christmas food. You need to change curtain. 300 US is equivalent to 47,400 Jamaican dollars. And if you want to get a little closer, you want to be on the field, the infield tickets, 400 US, which is equivalent to 62,000 Jamaican dollars. Talk to me in the comment section, my people. Tell me if you are still going to the show, no matter the cost. Tell me if the tide has changed and the crowd is now going back to Sting, that they can afford that Sting price, but they cannot afford the Gaza price to go to the Gaza concert. There are people overseas, I know, are flying in for this concert, both in the Caribbean, in America, Canada, England, you name it. Persons have already booked their tickets. I don't know if the overseas fans are disappointed in the prices because they are working the foreign currency. But what about the Gaza fans in Portmore, Waterford, Portmore? What about the Gaza fans in all the garrisons in Jamaica, in Kingston, from Kingston to Montego Bay? Vybz Kartel, very popular. People want to see him. People want to be at that first concert. But can they afford the tickets? Talk to me, my viewers and subscribers. Type in the comment section. Are you comfortable with the price? Do you think the price is too high? Do you think the regular Jamaican can afford this or these prices? I know people will do everything in their powers. People will sell their goat, sell their chicken, sell their wares on the street, whatever it takes, whatever it is, to be at this concert. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section. Join us one more time in this conversation. Tell me your thoughts, viewers and subscribers. Tell me if you are going to the concert. Tell me if the ticket prices are too high. And also, tell me if you believe that no matter where people are going to get the money from, they are going to get the money to go to this concert. I could have also compared the ticket prices to the Chris Brown show that has gone. I could also compare the ticket prices to the Burna Boy show that has gone. But this is the great Vybz Kartel. Everyone is anticipating coming to this show. But the prices are super expensive. Do you think it is a good investment? Do you think the Gaza boss worth it to pay that money to go and see him perform in his first concert when he's now free? Talk to me in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Kindly share your thoughts. Kindly press like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. I do appreciate your support. See you in our next video. All the best to you. Take care.